This video will teach you how to schedule and upload multiple images or videos over the course of a day, a week, or even a month to Instagram from your desktop using gramblr. This unique software solution enables you to do a whole month's worth of posting in one afternoon. There's two ways to upload a video. One, of course, is to click on the box and it gives you a drop-down window where you can pick the video that you want out of your computer from your desktop. The other way is just to simply drag a video from your desktop into that little box. Once my video loads, it fills the space, but I still have to change the size. You go to the left corner and drag it all the way to the right and then just hit this little green button, and that will give me the size that I've just uploaded. It may take a little while to do, but just be patient, it'll work. All right, and I'm not going to worry about the details right now, but what I want to do is go over how you can schedule photos and videos for later dates and times. So what you're going to do is first you're going to click in some other time. And now it's going to give you, first of all, the day. If I click over here, it gives me a calendar. So I can change the day. If I want to do, I can't go back in time, of course, but I can move forward to any date in the future. All right, so let's just keep it for today. And these two little boxes here give you the hour and the minutes. It doesn't have AM or PM, it just goes to 24. So if I want to go forward, I could put it on at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So there's two ways you can do it. You can do it for today, or you can change it, and you can do it for the 28th, and I could do it in the morning. So I just come back, and let's say people get up about 6 o'clock, so I'm going to do it for 6:57. Now if I want to change that, I could go, bam, there I am, 7:02. So tomorrow morning at 7:02, this video is going to be uploaded to my Instagram account. So I go ahead and send that by clicking here. And it should take a minute if I have a reliable internet. And bam, upload has been scheduled. So that will come up in the morning in my Instagram. Now I could do, one every hour if I wanted to, or I could do one every day, or I could do 10 every day and schedule, spend one day just scheduling all my posts all the way through the week. It's up to you. Instagram's mostly about what's happening right this minute, and so you might want to take that into consideration when you're doing your uploads. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of the other videos that I've made about gramblr. Shows you how to do specific things like upload a video and schedule videos and some of the other cool things that are available to you. All right, thanks.